Hello guys, this is going to be a store tour of Buckle in Carbondale, Illinois. So let's do this. And this is our new location too. And if you noticed on my old Buckle video when they were still in University Mall, I updated the title to say move to a new location. So yep. And it's very cold in here. You'd be surprised how cold it is in here. So we'll just go in here. This will be very quick because it's about the same size as their old location was. So we'll just circle.
A little bigger than our old store was.
Right. Okay, I got corrected there. Yeah, it seems a little bigger anyway. Alright. And this is about it for a store tour of Buckle in Carbondale, Illinois. So, that's it. Oh my gosh. So that's it. So bye guys.